What's up? It's Game Changer here, and I got a very special video for y'all today. We are going to talk about my strategy on how you can invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever crypto you want to invest in, doing your regular everyday shopping. Yes, your regular everyday shopping. It involves Coinbase and the Coinbase Visa debit card. It's not a crazy strategy, but it's a pretty good percentage. It's higher than the BlockFi credit card, which we can talk about that real soon. It's a good credit card, but this is a higher percentage, higher than the crypto.com percentage, unless you just investing hella money into the Crow coin. With this Coinbase card, you do not have to invest anything crazy. You can just put your regular money in. You can set up direct deposit. If you want a video on how to set up direct deposit with your Coinbase card, let me know down below. If you want a video on how to put money onto your Coinbase card, let me know down below as well. All you gotta do is have a Coinbase account, have a Coinbase card. If you don't have either one, go to the link down below, sign up, click the link, sign up for Coinbase, and it's literally at the bottom of the screen. It'll say, get a Coinbase card. Simple as that. So as you can see here, my Coinbase card is at the top. You can see there, we got $4 left in the account. You know what I'm saying? I give myself like a little weekly budget, and I shop off of that. You know what I'm saying? If you're not big into credit cards and you like debit cards, this is the debit card for you, bro. I have $4 left. I'm probably gonna top it off later. If you want a video, like I said, let me know. I have 4% cashback in XLM. 4%. You're not getting that with your regular debit cards. You're not seeing that. You're not seeing that type of rewards. That's, like I said earlier, it's probably the best rewards you'll see right now. I got plus $15 in rewards right now. As you can see, I've been shopping all over the place. Gas, food places, 4%, 4%. It adds up. It literally adds up. As you can see here, it's pretty much a lot of options. Depending on the time that you're watching this video, it might be different crypto rewards, but you can choose it right here. Still XLM, we got Graph, AMP, Rally, Bitcoin, Ethereum. There's literally no need to even look at these because you're getting 1% back. The trick is here to choose the 4%ers and then transfer it into the big coins that you want, Ethereum, Bitcoin, whatever you want to do. You can literally convert these into the big ones. So that's the strategy here that we're going for. So what I do, I go to my XLM. Once I get the rewards, I go to the XLM page. I scroll down. See this screen is buy, sell, and convert. I'm going to click on convert. I'm clicking on my convert. Like I said, I do it like once a week. You can do it however many times you want, but me personally, I like doing it once a week. And then we'll take us to this screen. So right now I have $11.71 available to convert. So max $11.71 is there, XLM to Ethereum. Like I said, I'm big on Ethereum. I'm gonna convert it. Coinbase free is literally zero. Literally zero. That's the strategy here, bro. That is literally the strategy, and that's it. So now that 79 XLM, aka $11, was converted into 0.004 Ethereum. And as you can see, I'm in my Ethereum wallet. $15 right there. And of course, you see it at the bottom, converted to Ethereum. Use XLM, all of my little history. Easy as that. Simple. Nothing crazy. Simple as that. That's literally it. Simple as that. I convert my XLM once a week. That's like $25 here, $50 here. So if if someone wants to buy shoes from me, I just tell them, give me the money. I'll buy the shoes for them. If we're out eating, I'm telling everybody, give me their money. Everybody cash at me. I will literally send it to my card, transfer it, swipe with the Coinbase card. The rewards adds up, bro. So I'm literally getting paid to doing regular things that I normally do. You should too. Get this Coinbase card right now. I'm telling you, man. I'm giving all types of side hustles and nice, cool little ways to get money. You can't say I didn't warn you. And once I find something that gives off a better percentage than this 4% on the Coinbase card, this is a wonder to me right now. So make sure you click the link down below. Check the description box below for the sign up to Coinbase if you have not already done so. Sign up. You can do direct deposits. You can add money in there. You can buy crypto from there. Simple as that. If you have any questions, put it down below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you have any other ideas you want to see me do, test it out for you, put it down below as well. But with that being said, it's time to find the next side hustle. We gone.
Wake up happy, shoulda got a little bit of gratitude. Gotta keep a positive attitude, cooking up something powerful. Voice on the track, compatible. It's primitive, so practical. A lot of niggas really be acting fool. Blessed with another 24 hours too. Niggas these days be wildin'. A lot of niggas really be flogging, talking shit like you walk in a salon. And bitches politicking, Hillary ride 'em, talking down on your name.